From time to time, you may want to immediately stop your child from using their device. This can be done by using the Restrict Now feature. It's important to note that your child's device must be online to use this feature. That is, the device must not be in sleep mode, aeroplane mode, offline, or in a poor connectivity or Wi-Fi area. On your own device, go to your child's dashboard and tap Restrict Now next to the green oVee. You can restrict access to your child's apps in two ways, until you say so or until a specified time. To restrict access until you say so, simply tap the checkbox next to the words I say so, and then tap OK to apply the restriction. Your child will be unable to use the apps on their device once the status shown on the lower part of the screen says Manually Restricted. Tap the back arrow at the top left-hand corner to return to your child's dashboard. You will notice that the oVee next to your child's photo is now red. To cancel the restriction, tap Cancel Restrict next to the red oVee. Then tap Cancel under your child's photo in the middle of the screen. Answer Yes to the message that appears. Now return to your child's dashboard by tapping the back arrow at the top left of the screen. You will notice that the oVee is now green. Your child now has full access to the apps on their device. To restrict access until a certain time, tap Restrict Now next to the green oVee. Then tap on the time at the top right of the screen. Set the time you would like the restriction to apply to and then tap OK. Tap OK in the middle of the screen to apply the restriction. Return to your child's dashboard. You will notice that the oVee is now red and apps will be blocked from use on your child's device. The restriction will apply until the set time or until it is cancelled. To apply and cancel restrictions for multiple children, you can simply swipe left and right to select individual children in the middle of the Restrict Now screen.